welcome to our channel. Today I will show SwiftUI how to make fixed size spacer. So now you can see the this design. We will implement a new project exactly this design by using spacer. Spacer need for the fill up the blank space. Suppose here is the white space is spacer, and step 2 below this is spacer and this is spacer, and step 3 under white space is spacer. So now we will show the real example. At first we create a new project in Xcode. Click the Xcode and click the new project and select the single view, then click the next. At first you check the user interface, select the SwiftUI, then you enter the product name, suppose SwiftUI spacer fixed size example. So here now view is loading. Okay, we remove the hello world. At first we take the Z stack. We take the Z index for set the background color with safety edge. Color dot yellow dot edge dot all. Okay, then we take the vertical stack. Vertical stack, we will take the another vertical stack for header. We can set the horizontal, suppose horizontal vertical stack. Okay, now we will take the text component. This is the header. We will set the text color. Text color set by foreground color. Color dot black. Okay, then we will set the frame max width dot infinity. Set the background color dot, we set the yellow, and we will set the fading. Okay, our header is ready. Now we will use the spacer. Now header is in the center. We want to move header to the top. Use the spacer. When we will use the spacer, header will goes to top. Then we will use the spacer in fixed size. When we will spacer in fixed size, then we will use the frame. In frame modifier has property, suppose height. We will set the 50. Okay. Okay, then we will take the another vertical stack. Text, suppose step Step 1, and set the background color, foreground color dot white. Okay, then we will use the fixed frame size for this stack. Mean width 0, max width dot infinity, mean height 0, max height 50, and then we set the alignment. Alignment is center, and then we will set the this B stack background color dot red. Then this is the red color, and you see that this is header, and after some space, this is spacer size is 50. Then set the B stack. Now we will set the same spacer size below the B stack. Okay, then we will copy the step 1 and set it the spacer. We will set it spacer under spacer. This is the step 2. Okay, under this B stack we will set another spacer size 50. Then we will make step 3 with same property. Now we will add the spacer under step 3. Okay, now we will make design the bottom bar. We will take another stack view. This stack view, set the background okay, we set the bottom design. We will take 3 text, left and text middle and take right. Okay, we take the 3 text field, and we can set the color, foreground color dot black, and set the property fading. Copy the property. Okay, now you can see the left, middle and side all are the nearest location. We want to equally distribute, and left text will be the left side and right text will be the right side, and middle text will be keep on middle. So we can use the here spacer spacer. Then left side text field is gone to the left, and then we use the another spacer. Okay, then 3 are the goes the exact location. Now we will set the background color, color dot yellow. Okay, our main uh, b stick color, we will set the background color is stick. Here we will use the background color, background color dot sorry color dot white. So now you will see the white. We can set the header size, header size, frame minimum with 0, max with dot infinity, mean height 0, max height suppose 50. Okay, and we set the alignment, the text dot bottom, mean height 0, max height 50, and alignment the bottom. And as stack, we can set the background color, color dot yellow. Then our design is done. Here in this example, we show at first we design the background color, then we take the AC stack for header. Header has is defined height is 50. Then we use the spacer, height is 50. Here is the white space, height is 50. Then another B stack is step 1, and this step 1 height is 50, and then use the spacer, fixed size is 50. Same way space 2 under use the another spacer 50. Here is under step 3 use the spacer no size, and then we design the bottom here, left, middle and right. Here we use the spacer, but this spacer has no size. If we use this spacer size, suppose spacer frame height 20, then it will take this the 20 size. If we no use the size, then it will get the equal size this spacer and after middle spacer. Now we can run our project in iPhone X. So our project runs successfully. Here is our output. In this project, we show the how to use fixed size spacer and free size spacer in SwiftUI. Thank you so much.